Hello there and welcome back to the web programming video series. In this video, I'm going to talk about the category registration process. So we have created the managed categories within the managed products page. So you can see the category numbers and we can also add a new category. So once you scroll down, you can see that part. So this is the managed categories part. So we are going to learn how we can program this. Let me show you a quick demo on how it works. So once you click on the add new category, you will be you will receive a model pop-up that will show you to add a new category. So let's have a small demo. Before that, you can see the other categories are listed according to their numbers. So the cameras are 0. So when you add a new category, you can create a new category name and then you have to enter the email. So the email should be the admin's email. So once we type in our category name and then once we type in our admin email, all you have to do is click on the save new category. So let's click on the save new category. So once I click this save new category, an email will be received, an email will be sent with the verification code. So you have to copy that verification code and paste it into the verification code and paste it into the model. So this is the verification code. So I'm going to copy it from my Gmail and then I'm going to paste in the verification code to verify that I am the admin. So once I have pasted the verification code, I can click on verify and save. And once it is done, the new category is added to the category page. In a few moments we are going to go to the coding section. So this is the managed product.php and we are looking at the managed categories div, which is below the managed product. So we are sending a database connection to get the details from the category page, from the category table, and then we have created an on-click event. So add new category. So when the add new category event is called, it calls a JavaScript function, and this is the model. So I have named the model as model 2, and here you can see the add new category, and then we can select the new category name, and then we have to enter the email. So these two are basic input fields. So below that you can see that we have the close button and then we have the verify category process. So this is the model 2 and then we have the model 3 as well. So this is the model 3. So the model 3 is the verification code. There we have the input to enter the verification code and we have the save and verify button which will save the category. So now let's go to our JavaScript code. So we have given IDs to each and every element. So they have been called by the JavaScript code. So now let's have a small glimpse on the JavaScript code. So this is the add new category function. So it calls a model. So we have created a new model and it calls that model. The next function is the verify category process. So it gets the category and the email from the from our page. So once it does that, it creates an Ajax request. So the Ajax request sends it to add new category process.php. So from here we are getting the libraries related to our email sending process like the SMTP and the PHP mailer and the exception.php. The connection.php is used to get the data from the database, and then we check if the email is already set into our if there is a value set to the email and category name. If it is not set, we should receive an error message. So if it is set, it takes in the data and then it sends the email to the admin with the verification code, and then we can enter it. So this is the uh, add new category process.php. So once we go down, so these are the main mandatory fields related to our email sending process. Alright, so we discuss about this. Now once we scroll further, you can see that once the email has sent, you will receive a success message, and if the verification code has was unable to be sent, then we will get another error message as well. So now let's go further. So if the user is not found, we will get an error called invalid user, or if there's some other error, we will get something missing. So something missing always comes when the session is not set. So now let's go to the other script.php file. So that is the save categories. So once the email is verified, uh, it takes in all the data. So the category name, email, and the verification code, and it sends it to an Ajax request. So the save category process.php. So first it checks whether the user is set, and it checks whether that category and the email is also set as well. And then what it does is it checks whether the admin email and the verification code matches each other. If it matches each other, it will send a success message, and then the category will be added to the database. Otherwise it will show invalid verification code. So that's all for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.